no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This time I am reviewing the hair from Outre, and this is from the Melted Hairline series. Her name is Kallara. Kallara is in the color DRFF2 Ginger Brown. Kallara has 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps with a band for a glueless look. Kallara has an HD lace and is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. She has a frontal effect hairline with baby hairs, and she is, y'all, she is long. She 34 inches. So from the jump, the hairline was decent, but if you prefer to pluck away. I am using that Even spray tint. The tint is in the color medium dark brown, and also I am using that wig spray from Even as well. And yes, y'all, I am using the baby hairs today. Not all of them, but I'm using them. So as y'all can see, this wig is giving Humpty Dumpty at the top, but I flattened it, I flattened Kallara with water, heat, and a brush. So, we got her situated. And then also I am going to get some more heat. I'm going to fluff that part out because, y'all, we do not need no uneven wigs, okay? I don't know, y'all. I got stumped with the hairstyle because she was so long, so I really didn't know how I really wanted to wear Kallara. So in the end, I decided to do a half up, half down look. I promise y'all are not tweaking. I definitely put my hair in ponytails at least twice because I needed it to be flat. I needed it to be flat, y'all, or at least flat enough, okay? Okay, y'all, so here's how I'm feeling Kallara, okay? Kallara is a very long wig. Again, she is 34 inches, okay? 34 inches. So expect tangles with this unit. If you want this hair to get bigger and show volume, manipulate her and finger comb the waves. If not, you bet not. Overall, I love this color, and this was a very easy install. Like, I didn't have to do extra plucking or anything of the sort, y'all. I just put my little makeup on and I went about my business. I would like to thank you guys for tuning into today's video. Told y'all I was gonna be consistent. I told y'all I was gonna be consistent, okay? Every Monday, every Wednesday, we are dropping content. We are dropping videos, okay? I really want to get back connected with you guys because honestly, like, I really want to get back to me. Trust me, I love being mommy cat. I love being a mother. But, you know, I love being Catherine too. So thanks to Outre for sending me this wig so I can review it for you guys. Let me know how y'all feeling her in the comment section also. And like always, thanks for coming back to my channel. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.